Hello everyone, this is Edulab management system. It's a learning management system. It gives you the access as well to do like live classes. It gives to like sell courses. So this is the best SaaS that you can sell, that you can like resell, or if you want, for example, to sell courses, to live classes, to manage like learning. So everything is in this great platform. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to step by step install this script. Okay, so let me just dive into this platform to see. Like as you can see, guys, we have the default theme here. This is the default theme. It gives the popular courses, like the testimonials. We have everything, as you can see, guys. Like the pricing, everything. So as well as it comes with a learning education team. This is the landing page of it. Let me go to LMS education. This is the theme for LMS education. As you can see, guys, you can choose whatever theme you want just from settings of admin. I will let you know about that. Okay, we have another theme here. As you can see, you can choose your theme and set it on your login as an admin. Okay, so here we have the courses. We have the courses, you have the filters, we have everything here. So we have the pages here, we have course bundle, instructor organization, blogs about us. So if you want to do a blogs as well, you can add your blogs here. Here we have the loves for the courses. We have like here for like the the courses that you just add to the cart for the customers. Here we have the logins for student instructor. We have organization admin. Let me just do as an admin, for example. Let me log in as an admin. So as you can see, guys, we have this login page for the admin. All right, so we can see as well here the menu to see module manager, subscriptions. We have here the team and manage. Here you have all the teams, so you can set up the team that you want. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here that you can manage. We have as well, let me just log out again. You can like log in as student. Let me go to the instructor, for example, login. Here's the instructor. So let me go back. So as you can see in the menu, we have course manage, we have students, quizzes, we have everything set up here. So let me now go to, this is just a reason about this script. So now I have to go to give you step by step how to install this script. Okay, so what we should do now is that let me go to this domain name. This is my domain name. So I will try to install this script here in my domain name, okay, without license key needed. All right, so now as you can see, guys, we have 403 forbidden. That's why, so my website has nothing until now. So by the way, I'm gonna use Hostinger to install this script. Okay, so first of all, guys, you should try to buy the script first. So I will tell you where to buy it. Okay, it's very cheap. Okay, so guys, we came to this website, AutoScript Hub. I will leave the link below. You come here to the search and you put Edulab. All right, you come to this and click search now. So you will have this listing. Click on that. Great. Now this is the script. So you can just click buy now. You can just pay $8. Proceed to checkout. And here you put the email address and the password, and you can check out your PayPal, and you can pay the $9. And here is it. You get the script. Okay. So after getting the script, so I already buy it from this website. You came to the Hostinger. You go to overview, and you came to file manager. Okay. After installing or downloading the script from AutoScript Hub, you came to hosting or to the file manager. As you can see, guys, I just click file manager. Here's the file manager. I go back. So here is it. You will get this file. Okay, just like upload it here. After uploading it here, click right click and extract it, and right here a dot. Okay, extract it. After extracting, you will get this folder. Go to it, select all, move back, as you can see, and move. All right, guys, if you have any problem or anything, I will put my WhatsApp below on this video, just to contact me if you have any error. Okay, so I will be happy to help you. So just delete this folder, delete it. Great. Now everything is set up. All we should do, we have to go to our domain name. So as you can see, guys, we have 403 forbidden. Now let me see what's going on. Great. Now we have the installer. Get started. Okay, everything is set up. If everything, if there is something that is missing, please just go to your hostinger and go to advanced to PHP configurations, and you can just set up any configuration. All those things are from PHP like configuration. Click next here. Okay, here we, after next, you will get this permission like page. We have three missing things here. We have storage framework, logs, and cache. Now we should do, we have to go to back to the file manager. So storage framework, let me go to the storage, go to storage, here storage, and here framework, click right and give it a permission of 7075. Update, go to logs as well, give it a permission 75. Great. Now this said as well bootstrap cache. Let me go back to public HTML, go to bootstrap and cache, give it a permission of 75. All right, great. Now let me just refresh the page. It gets everything set up. Next, after next app name, give it a name. Okay, whatever you want. Here app environment, it's production. Okay, hit debug log, just let it as debug. App URL, it will take your URL by default. Click next here. After that, just put your whatever you want, half life 1 2 3. Just put whatever you want here in email. There's no problem here. Just put the zeros because I already bypass everything here. So just put this as you want. Just put the zeros here, not matter how many zeros you put here, and put your email here. There's no problem. Okay. Click next. Great. Now go to the database. Leave this as it is. MySQL database host, database port, database name. Here you go to Hostinger and click databases. All right. Here we have to add a database. Let me just okay, just copy and paste it in here. So the password, put the password that you want. Create that database. Great. This is my database now. Copy this. Okay. Come back to the installer. Paste it in here and paste the same thing here in the database name, and here for the database password I already did bin123 at. This is my password that I put for creation of the database. Okay, next, click next. Now it gives me this demo content import. If you want to like to import the content, just you want to import the demo content. If you don't want that, just uncheck that and import. So if you want the content of the to be imported, just click check and import everything. So it's gonna be as you can see, congratulations, everything is set up. So we have admin panels, we have organization for student and for instructor. Okay, so just click visit site. After selecting visiting site, you will have this great home page. Okay, as you can see, there is no picture, there's no images because as I said before, there's no images here because I just not set it up, because on the admin there's no page like images, like just the database imported. This is just a demo content. So if you want to add your own courses images, you can do it. Okay, let me just log in as an admin. This is an admin, for example. This is, let me just log in. This is the admin. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing here, there's just one instructor. You can just manage whatever you want here, the teams, module manager, teams localization. Here if you want to use the AI, you can use it. You can just add whatever you want. We have like if you want to log out, just log out and go inside instructor, organization, students, whatever you want. So here is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any problems, I will put the link below for AutoScript Hub to buy a script from there. Okay, and we have like the hosting link just to create hosting and buy a domain name, so you will have a great discount for 25%. Yeah, I will put the link to my WhatsApp as well, so if you have any problem, just let me about it so I can help you. So thank you so much, guys, and have a good day.